Hi everybody, it's me and Jasper. Freddy's outside right now. I just got home like 20 minutes ago. He's been a lover. I just got home like 20 minutes ago. Tired. I'm going to be getting a camcorder sooner than expected. I went to Walmart yesterday. I did a video yesterday, but I just didn't like it. I went to the Walmart yesterday, found one for $17, but that's like, I'm not gonna spend $17 on it. It's not gonna be good quality. I'm not gonna like it. And the other one was like 100 and something, and I'm like, it's a little bit too expensive. I went to Best Buy today, and that was all expensive, all like $300. So I'm like, no, I'm not gonna spend that much. My friend Melanie told me to go to Amazon, and I seen some for like 60 and 50, even 80. I'm not for sure how much I want to spend on it. I don't want to spend more than $100. But I just want a camcorder. I want to get in vlogging more. I want to do more vlogging. I want to do more daily lives stuff. My phone is great for amateur vlogging. Like I used to do food hauls and stuff like that. But I can't turn the camera around on it. Like the fit and all that stuff. And a camcorder will be easier because when I'm recording a video or when I'm editing a video on my app, I can't do anything on my phone but that. It's just my phone is not doing the best at storage. I think I'm gonna be deleting the app I have on my phone as soon as I get my video and everything set up. And I'm just gonna be doing food hauls like I used to do food hauls. They're not gonna be fancy with the introduction and the ending. So yeah. What else? The day was good. I'm just tired. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner. I was gonna make pizzas, but I don't know. I'm resting. I probably won't eat until late. It's only 6 o'clock, and I'm not hungry. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. So. Yeah. For Jasper don't get attention. Freddy gets jealous. So yeah, I'm just excited to get my camcorder. Like I said, I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a camcorder, but I don't want a cheapie either. Fish are doing good. I gotta get rid of the babies. My assistant manager's gonna take them here in a few days. I'm just gonna take them to work somehow. I just gotta get rid of them. I think she's pregnant again. I thought she was gonna have babies last night. She's just acting really weird. She's just acting really weird. So, was acting weird, but anywho, I'm tired. I'm gonna get off of here. I'm just gonna get on and said I'm getting a camcorder soon. Nothing biggie, nothing too expensive, nothing too cheap. So I'm just tired. I just want to get on, and so yeah. All right. See you guys later. Bye. I'll probably be posting this here tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but alright. Bye.